Hello and welcome to CalusPrep's SAT Writing and Language course. Today I'm going to talk you through some of the key features of this course and talk to you about how it's organized so that you can more easily navigate it once you get started. So I'd like to start by introducing the instructors for this course. We've got two instructors for this one, and one of them is myself, Evan Gerdish, and the other one is Mr. Christopher Lee. Now, a little bit about our academic background. We both have about 10 years of, or between the two of us, we have about 10 years of SAT tutoring experience. So we really know all the ways that the SAT is going to test these concepts and how we can kind of walk you through the tips and tricks of learning how to quickly master these concepts and recognize them on the SAT. So enough about the instructors. Let's look at the course a little bit here. Now, the course is going to be structured around the two major concepts in the SAT writing and language section, that is the grammar and the style and tone. Now, between those two, there's a lot of smaller concepts that we're going to cover. And how we're going to cover it is basically look at how the SAT tests these concepts, because that's really what we're preparing for here. And because of that, we're not going to focus so much on the terminology. We'll learn the difference between an independent and a dependent clause, but it's really more important that you recognize a different type of clause than that you know what to call it, because the SAT is not a vocabulary test so much as a practical test of your writing and language knowledge. And the same goes for the style and tone as well. So we're going to work on recognizing how to write more concisely, recognize how to order our sentences so that there's a logical flow, and we're going to look at that in context of the SAT, because the SAT tests it in very specific and pretty predictable ways too, that once you kind of know how to recognize, you know right away what you're looking at. So with that in mind, let's go on to how this course is sort of organized. So like I said, we've got the grammar and then the style section, and within each of these sections we've got lecture videos, we've got quick quizzes to test each concept individually, longer quizzes that'll combine concepts to make sure that you can distinguish between different grammar types, and then of course we've got our test at the end. Now, that test at the end you can take any time, but we recommend you wait till the end because we want to see if really watching these lecture videos and engaging in these quizzes helps you improve so that when you get to the test, you can approach it with confidence. Now, with that in mind, I welcome you to CalusPrep once again, and I hope that you find this course both educational and entertaining.